Now Hurricane Gultch stands about 912 feet across and is 296 feet down. So if you are swimmers, I do not suggest look down. But like I said before, you can get views off both sides. Now for the more picturesque version, I suggest looking on the left-hand side, as you can get the Hurricane River down below us, as well as the Chilean and Susitna. And if you look off on the right-hand side, you can get a view of the drop. That'll give you just another idea of how high up we are. If you were to see the Statue of Liberty down below us, we would be about torch level. Now this bridge was built back in 1921, and two teams started from either side of this gorge and met in the middle.
We're looking down.
Now the name hurricane comes from the hurricane force winds that tend to come through this area.
We're on this bridge,
Again,
900 feet.
912 feet across and 296 feet down.
I hope you get a narration here from the lady.
David, how about you?
Oh, yeah.
You're all up. You're all up for that, right? My camera's all up.
And
And you look down. Yes, I did.
I hate to even step down one step.
I usually not do it. This is
Incredible. Absolutely incredible.
Yeah.